Sometimes, we have to need the same signal source to connect multiple monitors, not the HDMI interface, but CVBS video input. For example, when two headrest monitors or Sunvisor displays are installed in the car or roof mount monitors in the bus. The source video signal comes from one head unit or DVD player, but how to divide the video signal into two or more monitors? This requires the use of Video Splitter A100. It has a built-in signal booster, amplifier inside, and anti-interference characteristics. After the signal is divided, the display will not have snowflakes and still maintain a clear and stable picture. Here we show you the video output test on the oscilloscope. The waveform is very stable. Now we show you how to connect two headrest monitors by the video splitter. Firstly, give the video splitter the power. It supports 1224V in the car or bus. Now connecting the video input from one DVD player. Now connect the two video outputs to two headrest monitors. Thanks for watching this test video. If you are interested in this CVBS video splitter, please see the video description. There is a link to our website for products details.